السلام عليكم.
Welcome to part 9 of our Arabic learning series, where we're learning essential animal vocabulary. The first word is,
قطة.
which means cat. Next is,
كلب.
meaning dog. The next word is,
طائر.
which means bird. After that comes,
سمكة.
meaning fish. Next is,
خروف.
which means sheep. The next word is,
حصان.
meaning horse. After that comes,
فيل.
which means elephant. Next is,
أسد.
meaning lion. The next word is,
بقرة.
which means cow. After that comes,
دجاجة.
meaning chicken. And the last word is,
فراشة.
which means butterfly. Thank you so much for being here and learning with me today. You did a wonderful job. Keep practicing these new animal words and remember, every day you're getting better. Wishing you happiness and success on your language journey. Next up, Arabic Learning Series Part 10 comes. Goodbye and peace be with you. Can't wait to see you in the next lesson.